Hey guys, so this is lesson 2.6, introducing empty number lines. And for our step-in discussion, we have an empty number line. There are no numbers labeled. How could we show the position of these two numbers on an empty number line? We have 74 and 56. Well, I know that on any number line, 0 is going to be to the left, and the numbers to the right of 0 are going to keep getting larger and larger and larger. And so I know that 56 is less than 74, so I could put 56 right here. And 74 over here. There's quite a few ways that you could fill in this empty number line with these two numbers. That's just one way. Hannah, we have an example here. Hannah labels the empty number line to start at 0 and end at 100. How does this help her identify the position of the two numbers? And what other numbers could she label? Well, if 0 is here and 100 is here, we know that 50 is going to be right here in the middle. So this is one way that having those numbers labeled on there helps us. So if 50 is here, then 56 is going to be somewhere between here and let's say 60 is here. So let's put 56 right there. And then if we keep on labeling our tens, 50, 60, 70, then we know that 80 will be right about here. So 74 should be here. Okay. Blake uses a different method. He labels the empty number line to start at 50 and end at 80. So the cool thing about the empty number lines is you can label them how you want to. You could zoom in on one little spot on the number line, or you could zoom out. You could have 0 to 100, or you could have 50 to 80, or you could go from 50 to 70. It's up to you how you want to label that. So for this one, going from 50 to 80, we could label our tens with 50, 60, 70. And then if we were going to mark 74, we know that 74 is almost halfway between 70 and 80. And then 56 is a little bit more than halfway between 50 and 60. So 56 will be here. All right, I'm going to zoom out. There I am. Okay, so, ooh, my hair's sticking up. There we go. So this is the first page. For the step up, your directions say show the position of each number. You can break the number line into more parts to help your thinking. So these number lines here both go from 0 to 100, and you have the numbers 35 and 80. So remember, 50 is right there in the middle. You could mark all the tens if you want to, if that helps. And then we have more of the same on this page, except for these number lines start at 0, and then you can decide what number they end with. So if I'm going to show 70 on this number line, maybe I want this number line to end with 80. It goes from 0 to 80. So then I can say, okay, 70 is going to be right here. All right. Or you can make them all end with 100. It's up to you. Another example, though, if this number line, we need to show where 10 is, maybe our number line only goes to 20. If it goes from 0 to 20, then we know that 10 is right in the middle. So you guys get to play around with that a little bit and decide what numbers to end your empty number line with. And then down here, you have two empty number lines, two numbers to show. It doesn't show you what number to start with or what number to end with. You decide that. Okay? Good luck with this. Let me know if you guys have any questions.